Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So now my question is,
Yeah.
what do you mean by light?
Light is an energy, form of energy.
Light is a form of energy. Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. Anything else?
It is a, yeah, that's all.
That's all. Okay, fine. Okay, so I will just write here. Can you see this?
Yeah.
So in the grade 10, we have to study the light in two parts. One
Okay.
part is for reflection and one part is for refraction,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So the light is divided in two parts, reflection and refraction. I will
Okay.
take one by one each of them. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So no need to worry. But before moving further, I have few basic things which I would like to discuss with you. Okay. So according to me, what is light? I'm just going to let you know. So can you see this?
Light is a form of energy which helps us to see
Yes,
out.
light is a form of energy,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Which help us to see objects, which help us to see
Object.
objects. Okay. So, okay. So what they have written? They have written when light falls on object, it reflects the light, and when the reflected light reaches our eye, we can see the object. So my
Yeah.
question was, how we see the objects?
Through light.
Yes, how does we see objects?
Yeah. When the light falls on them, it bounces back to our eyes. That's how we see
Mhm.
it.
Okay, I will just show you one image here. Okay,
Yeah.
so that you can. In this image, you can see one girl is looking for the flower. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So how the girl is looking the flower? The sunlight is coming to the girl, and then girl can see the flower,
Yeah.
or sunlight will come to first to the flower, and then the reflection goes to
Sunlight
her eye.
first comes, then only reflection.
Yes. So always remember that the sunlight will fall on the flower and then the reflection will happen, and that reflection will go to where? That reflection will go to, look here, the arrow mark. Can you see the arrow mark?
Yeah, I can.
So this is the way. First, the light is coming from the sun towards the flower, and then the reflection is going towards the flower, and then the girl can see the object. Similarly, you can see here in the right hand side one picture. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Light is falling on the sofa, and then the reflection goes to the eyes of the girl, and then this girl can see the sofa. Is
Yeah.
it clear that?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. I have another question here. Why this flower looks like green and why this sofa looks like red? What is the reason behind it?
So there are different colors which attract. Uh,
No, my question is, right now you are sitting in your room, right?
yeah. Yeah.
You have different objects with you, like
Yeah.
pen, laptop, mobile, the color of your ceiling, color of your bed. You have different items in your room,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Does all colors same?
No.
All colors are different. But in your room, there will be one tube light, or in your room, there will be a sunlight. Only two
Yeah.
things possibilities, right?
Yeah.
So if you are glowing the tube light, so tube light will fall. So tube light color will be same.
Yeah.
Or suppose if sunlight is coming into your room, so sunlight is same for all bed, laptop, mobile,
Yeah.
chair, table. It is same
Yeah.
for all.
Yeah.
But
So
why the color of different objects are different?
yeah. So the colors of different objects are different because the objects or whatever the it absorbs a definite type of
Yes,
colors. So
actually,
whatever
white
it
light.
reflects,
Yes, you are
what
correct.
okay,
The white light will fall. The white light will.
all and that has all. The white light has all colors.
Yes, white light will fall, and this
Rays of
object will absorb other color, and only the green color will reflect.
reflect back.
Yes, in this case,
Red
white
color
light will
reflect.
fall, and only the red color will reflect. That's
Yeah,
the reason the girl is able to see the red color of sofa.
yeah,
Is it clear with you?
yeah. It's clear.
Okay, so I'm just going to write it down a few things here, so that would help you, and it will make the note for you. Can you see this? Can you see? I have written also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Light falls on object and reflection goes to eyes, then we can see the object. Can you see that?
Yeah,
And here I have written absorb all light, reflects only green. That's
yeah,
why we can see the green. Right? Is
yeah.
that clear? Do you have any question, anything you want to ask me till here?
No, no, no.
No. Okay. Fine. I'm moving ahead a little bit more. This is the basic we are doing right now, the basic knowledge of the light, because the basics are very, very important. So first of all, just let me know what is luminous and what is non-luminous.
So luminous are the objects which have their own light, and non-luminous do not have any light, or
Okay,
it
good.
might reflect others, right?
Okay, good. Very good. So can you give me the example of luminous?
Bulb,
Bulb, okay. And
non-luminous, moon, or even normal wood.
moon is luminous?
That is non-luminous.
How you can say non-luminous? Okay, just give us a second. Just give me a second. I'm just going to show you something here.
Or
Okay.
is that something called semi-luminous?
No, it's not semi-luminous. Luminous or non-luminous? Can you see this moon?
Yeah,
So moon is giving the light to us.
yeah.
Even 2 days back, I can see the light of moon at my house, and I was able to see different objects with the help of that light. So now moon is giving me the light, right?
Yeah,
So moon is luminous or non-luminous?
but it reflects in luminous objects light.
Huh?
But it reflects light.
So moon has no its
It does
own
not
light?
have its own light like
Good.
sun.
Moon is non-luminous. In that case, what we can say that? The moon is non-luminous. Understand? So
Yeah, I
if it
understand.
is non-luminous, still the moon is giving me the light because moon
Reflects.
gives reflection.
Yeah,
Moon gives
reflection.
reflection of sunlight. Do you understand?
Yeah.
What about stars?
Stars are just nothing but luminous objects.
They are they are luminous.
Yeah,
They are
luminous.
luminous. Okay. I would like to tell you. I think one fireflies. Do you know fireflies?
It's bioluminescence.
It's luminous, right?
But it's bioluminescence, right?
Yeah, bioluminescence. You can say biological luminous. That's
Yeah.
fine. That is okay.
Okay.
And what is the speed of light?
3 into 10 to the power 8
Meter per second,
meter per
right?
second. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so here the basic part is going to be the finish, and
Yeah.
now we are going to enter in our own part. Okay, so
Yeah.
now I'm going to start with the main topic that is called reflection. Can you see in this image something? In this image,
Yeah.
can you
Yeah.
see
Yeah. Yeah.
what you can see in this image?
So the sun is passing its ray of light to the mirror. The mirror is just reflecting back to the
So
opaque object.
from the sun,
Yeah.
light is falling on the mirror, right?
Yeah.
And from the mirror, a light is bouncing back towards here, right?
Yeah.
So what is so this process is what? This process is known as reflection.
Reflection.
So reflection means just bouncing back of light. Can you
Yeah.
see that? So please make a note. Reflection is what? Bouncing back of light.
Light.
In a simple, if a question will come for 1 marks, right, or like a fill in the blanks, you can just write down the answer bouncing back of light. But if the question is for the 2 marks, 2 marker,
Yeah.
right, so you need to write down the top one. When light falls on the surface of object, some of it's sent back, and the process of sending back the light rays which falls on the surface of object is called reflection of light. This answer is for 2 marker.
Yeah.
Okay, so please make a note.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm waiting for you.
Yeah. Yeah. Done.
Okay, done. Okay, I have one question here. If this boy has taken the mirror, right?
Sorry. What?
The boy has taken the mirror in
Yeah.
his hand.
Yeah.
That's why the reflection is happening, correct?
Yeah.
If he will take wood, if he will take some other plastic material, does reflection possible?
Sorry. Could you repeat it?
Yes. My question is, in this image, the
Yeah.
boy has taken mirror is in hand.
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
So due to the mirror, reflection is possible,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
But what would happen if the boy will take wood?
It wouldn't reflect because
Why?
it doesn't have a reflecting property or a smooth surface.
Yes. So that means if you will take anything in your hand, then reflection is not possible.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
For the reflection, the material is also very, very important, right?
Okay. Yeah.
And that material should be what? That material should be a polished and shining surface. That material should be what? Polished,
Polish or smooth surface.
smooth surface. I will
Yeah.
give you one example in which that means in which material do you eat?
Wheat and
A
black.
stainless steel, like utensils. You have the utensils at your house, right?
Yeah.
Like
It's
a cup,
silver.
yes, like plates, spoons, glasses, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
What material are they made?
They're made out of metals.
Stainless steel. They
Yeah.
are made up of what?
Stainless.
Stainless steel. Yes, some of the item will be the brass.
Yeah.
Some of
Sometimes it reflects.
sometimes it will be the aluminum, but generally in
It is
our
silver.
houses it is
Silver.
no, stainless steel, right?
Oh. Okay.
And
Yeah.
on the stainless steel, okay, I will show you. Just give me a second. Give me a moment, please.
Yeah.
What I'm talking, you should know that. Just a moment, just a moment. I'm just going to show you. Mm, yes, I'm talking about this. One moment, please. You can see this pot.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This pot is made up of stainless steel, very, very polished, new item, right?
Yeah.
It's in the market you can get this, right?
Yeah.
Even you have purchased many times this kind of pot or utensils, right?
Yeah.
So now what you can see in this, you can see. Oh, give me a moment. Give me a moment, please. Yeah, you can. Mhm. 1 second, please.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see the images of the people. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Many people are standing here, right?
Yeah.
So this is the reflection coming. We can see the reflection of it. So we understood that for the reflection, we need what? We need polished surface, right? So if
Yeah.
we have the polished surface, we can see the objects, we can see the reflection easily. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. I have another question for you. Just now you have studied that with the help of mirrors, we can do the reflection, right?
Yeah.
How you can make a mirror with the help of the glass?
So mirror is just a polished surface, and
Yes, yes. Tell me, polished surface of.
it's a very smooth and polished surface which reflects but
Okay. L-
accurately.
Just to read this. Just read this portion, the underlined portion.
Underline. Okay.
Read loud.
Silver metal is one of the best reflectors of light. Ordinary mirrors are made by depositing a thin layer of silver metal on the backside of a plate. Glass sheet. Silver layer is then protected by a coat of red paint. The reflection of light in a plane or any other takes place on a silver surface in it.
Do you have silver foil at your home?
I have aluminum foil.
Yes, aluminium foil. Yes, right. Aluminium foil, right?
Yeah.
When you will open the aluminium foil, very, very straight. It should not be the rough. It should be plain, new one.
Yeah.
Okay. And
It's
I think
reflective.
you have the window at your house also, right? So one side of the window, if you will paste the aluminium foil, your window will behave as a mirror. Okay.
Okay.
Even with the help of the aluminium foil, you can see the images of your faces. Have you ever tried?
Sorry.
Have you ever tried?
Reflecting light on aluminum foil.
Yes.
Yes, with laser.
Okay. But it gives not that much quality, right? So for
Yeah.
getting the quality, what we do generally, we
Polish
take
it more.
we take a glass.
Oh,
So suppose this is a glass. Can you see that?
yeah.
And one side of the glass, we put the layer of what? We put the layer of silver, right? And like this, I'm just putting here with the help of the blue color. I can show you. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see
One
that?
layer will be opaque completely.
Yes. And then we will put the red paint.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello, I can hear you.
Oh, sorry. My headphone got disconnected. Yeah.
Okay, now
So
can you
one,
hear me?
yeah. So one part of the mirror will be completely opaque. So the
Yes,
glass, one part,
yes.
the last ending part will be opaque. Middle of that there will be a silver coating, and the front part
No,
will be
no,
the
no, not
transparent
middle,
part.
not middle. It's not like that. Suppose
Oh,
if you have a rectangle cube, because okay, just give me a second. Because glass would be what? Glass would be like this. Glass would be like this, cuboid form. Am I right?
yeah.
So the back side of the back side, that means I'm talking about this portion. Can you see the back side?
Yeah, I can see.
So back side you can paint with the silver. Okay.
Yeah.
So it will behave as a mirror. Understand?
Yeah.
So no, not one side. That is back side. The backward side we can paint with the silvers. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. And how we represent in our books? How we represent in our books? In our book, we represent the mirror like this. We will draw here, and then one side we will haze it. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So hazing means this side is the painted side. This side is
Okay.
what? Painted side.
Side.
So the light will reflect like this. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. So do you understand how we can make the mirror?
Yeah.
Any problem in that?
No.
So for from the glass, we can make the mirror by painting silver color, and then we put the red paint on it. Correct? You
Yeah.
can see here. So this was the basic part. So we are done with this. Now we are moving for the interesting part of it. So now from here, the actual reflection is going to start. Okay,
Yeah.
give me a second. I'm going to show you. Can you see something here?
Yeah, I can see.
So this is the glass which we have made it a mirror. Can you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, what is happening in this figure? Can you just let me know?
So the when the ray of light is falling on the glass and the mirror, and it's reflecting back to the, and wherever it's reflecting, there's an eye.
Okay, fine. So
That's the angle.
that means this is the source of light.
Yeah,
Either it can be the sun, it can be a candle, it can be an object, it can be anything. So we can say that it is a source of light.
yeah,
Correct?
yeah,
So from the source of light, the light is falling on the mirror. Correct?
yeah.
So these rays will be known as what? These rays would be known as incident rays.
Oh, incident.
Understand?
Yeah, incident. Yeah,
So what is incident ray? The ray of light which falls on the reflecting surface, that's called incident ray. Can you see that? I have written
yeah,
here with definitions. Can you see?
yeah,
And from the reflected ray surface, the lights are bouncing back. Can you see the
yeah,
bouncing back of light?
yeah, yeah.
So these are known as reflected ray. Can you see
Oh,
that?
yeah, I can see
So
it.
the ray of light that is sent back, that is known as reflected ray. So right now you have learned two things. One is the incident ray, one is the reflected ray. Any doubt in this two part?
Yeah, no, no doubts.
No doubt. Another part we call normal. What do we call? Normal. So
Yeah,
what do you mean by normal?
normal is the plane in which incident and reflected ray meet.
No, 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 no. Normal is a line. Normal
Oh,
is a
imaginary line, I guess.
imaginary line which always be the perpendicular to the surface of mirror. Always be perpendicular. Perpendicular means it makes 90 degrees. That's
Yeah,
we call the normal. Okay. So normal, what is the normal basically? Normal is
an
always
imaginary
a
midline.
imaginary line,
Yeah,
and it should be the perpendicular to the base.
yeah,
Suppose my base is like this. I have tilted base like this. Can you see that?
yeah,
Now my base is tilted. So yes, obviously the normal would be the 90 degree to it, like this. Can you see that? Can you see that?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Suppose my base is tilted like this. This is my base. This is my mirror. You can see I'm making the mirror here. Can you see that?
yeah,
So my normal would be 90 degrees like this. This makes 90 degrees. Can you see that?
yeah.
So just a second. So what is normal? Tell me.
An imaginary line which is in the middle of all the plane
No middle. It
in a
makes
plane.
just 90 degree to the bases.
Okay, it's 90 degrees. Okay.
Yes, it's not a middle. It's just make 90 degree to the
Plane.
bases. Understand?
Yeah.
I will upload one more thing, one more picture. Can you see this now?
Yes.
So you can see this is our plane. That means you can see the base, right?
Yes.
And on the base, we have the normal as a 90-degree. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And this is the incident ray. This is a reflected ray. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Any problem in this?
No.
So, what is mirror? What is incident ray? What is reflected ray? What is normal? Do you have studied all the, understood all these things?
Yeah, I understood it.
Okay, that's great. Any confusion? Anything you want to ask me till now?
No.
Nothing?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to let you know very, very important part of this topic. Very, very important. You will laugh that I'm saying very, very important, but yes, it is very, very important because many students do mistake in that. Can you just read what is written on the board?
Sorry, where?
You can read this part. Can you see
Ang-
that?
Angle of incidence. It is the angle made by the incident ray and the normal.
You have, wait, you have annotation option. Just check on your screen. Annotate option is there. Can you
Yeah.
see that?
Yeah.
With the help of your mouse, can you just annotate here where the angle of incidence actually?
Oh, here.
No, so that is the definition written. Where on the figure, where is the angle of incidence?
This
Which
one.
part? The
Angle of
blackboard.
angle of incidence. It is this.
Yes. So always remember,
Yeah.
this is okay. Give me a second. This, can you see my yellow color?
Yeah, I can see it.
This is the angle of incidence.
Yeah.
Always remember that
And this is
angle of incidence.
reflected. Angle of
Yeah.
reflection.
Yes. So the green color, which I'm indicating with the green, that is angle of reflection. So
Yeah.
remember that the angle made by incident ray and the normal. Who makes the angle? Incident ray and the normal. That
Okay.
we call angle I.
Okay.
And the angle made by the normal and the reflected ray. Look here, blue, blue. Can you see
Yeah.
that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Normal and the reflected ray. That's called the angle of reflection. Please write it down and make the figure also.
Yeah. I will.
Because as per my experience, many of the students do mistake in this.
Oh.
It's a
Okay.
very simple concept. Am I
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. It's yeah.
But people do mistake, and you will also do the mistake. I will show you. First, just note down what is angle of incidence
Yeah. Okay.
and what is angle of reflection.
Yeah. Yeah. Done. Hello.
Give me a second.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
after this,
Yeah.
very, very important things come. That is known as laws of reflection. That is known as what? Laws of reflection. I think
Reflect.
you have, in your school, you have studied this chapter or not?
In 10th?
Yes.
No, they have to still do.
Oh, still you have to. Okay, no problem. So in this, you can just make a note, laws of reflection.
Yeah. Lost.
This is very important part.
Yeah. Okay.
So the first, noted the topic name.
Yeah, yeah.
So first law says that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflections. Just now you have studied what is angle of incidence and what is angle of reflection, right? So according to the
Hello.
law, yes,
Hello.
can you hear me?
Could you give
Can you
me
hear
one
me?
second? I'll just be right back.
Okay, take your time.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay, so here, shall we start?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so here you can see they have mentioned that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of the
Reflection.
reflection. So please make a note of it.
Yeah.
And
I should
how
note down
this
all
is,
the 3 points. I mean, all the 2 points.
yes,
Okay.
both 2 points. And you can just understand it by example. You throw a ball on wall,
Yeah.
correct? So if you are throwing the ball like this, what will happen? The ball will come like this. Can you see
Yeah.
that? So
Yeah.
what angle you have made the ball, the same angle you will get it.
Yeah. Yeah, I've noted it down.
Okay. So now you can see in this, the angle of incidence is equals to the angle of reflection, right?
Yeah.
And what is the second law? Second law says that, second law says that,
Second last test is incidentally reflected in the normal and to the mirror at the point of incident all line the same plane.
okay, fine, yes. So these two law you have just learned, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to give you question and you need to solve based on it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so give me the copy. Just try this one. Tell me the answer.
It's 55.
Hmm?
Hello, it's 55 degrees.
55 degrees.
Yes.
Let me check. Yes, you're right. Good. Perfect. Well done. So I will just show you your answers. So give me a second. Good. Perfect. So you can see 35 is this. So this will be the 55, right?
Yeah.
Okay, another problem. Very simple one. Can you go for it?
Yes. 120 degrees.
Okay. How much is that?
120.
120. Yes, you are right. Good. Doing perfect. Okay. So here is your answer. Right.
Yeah.
Moving ahead. Let's see how you will do this part. Go for this.
45 degrees.
Okay.
Is it correct?
Mm, no. Check one more time.
No, I get 90 only. I mean,
Hmm?
I'm getting 45.
Check one more time.
Or could you just tell how I got it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So angle of incidence and reflected ray will be 90 degree. So and in so I plus I is equal to 90 degree, and if you divide it, it will be 45 degrees.
No, no, no. Look here. I will tell you. Give me a second.
Yeah,
This is your mirror, right?
yeah,
I need to draw the normal line.
yeah,
So you can see I'm drawing the normal line here. Can you see that?
yeah.
Normal is 90. Any problem?
Nope.
Okay, now according to the question, the incident ray and the plane is making 90 degree,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So that means the incident angle and my incident ray makes 90 degree. Can you
Yeah.
see a green line?
Yeah, yeah.
So it makes 90. So if it makes 90, so angle I will make how much? Angle I will make 0. Are you getting my point?
Okay.
If, just think here, if the normal and the incident ray is the same,
Yeah.
right? So how
Yeah.
much angle it will make?
The same.
Yes, if it will be same, listen me, listen me, listen me.
Yeah.
This is one line. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And if I draw another line on it, like this, like this. Can you see my another line?
Yeah.
So how much angle it has created? This line is creating 0 angle, right?
Yeah.
Same way, the normal and the incident ray is the same line.
Yes.
So how much angle it will create? It will create 0 degree, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if 0 degree is angle I, so reflection must be also
Zero.
0. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yes, give me a second. Do you clear with this?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Hmm. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, I'm moving ahead. I'm giving another problem. Ready?
Yeah, yeah, ready.
This problem I can do. Yes, this one I can give you. Yeah, please go for it.
Yeah. 60 degree. Hello.
Yes.
60.
How you did this?
You just take 90 and minus 30 hours.
No, that is not right. Okay, I will explain to you. What is the question actually? Can you read the question? Can you read the question, please?
Yeah, a ray of light strikes a plane mirror PQ at an angle of incidence 30 degree. Reflected from the plane mirror and then strikes a second plane mirror. Two are placed at right angles to the first one. Angle of reflection at the second mirror is.
So you can see here we have two plane mirrors, right?
Yeah,
One is PQ and another one is QR. Can you see that?
yeah,
Okay. On both the plane mirrors, we have a normal line like this. Can you see that?
yeah, yeah.
So this is the first one. So just suppose that this is the angle of incidence. This is the angle of,
Incidence.
so this angle is 30 degree. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that angle is 30 degree. So there will be a reflection
Yes,
and that reflection is falling like this. Can you see that?
yeah,
So this makes 30 degree. Am I right?
yeah,
Here is also a normal. Here is also normal, right?
yeah.
So now the question is, this angle would be how much? This angle would be how much? If I will get this angle, then the reflection, here is a reflection, if you see that. Can you see the reflection?
Yeah, yeah.
Then we can find this reflection. Am I right?
Yeah.
So if this is theta, so this is theta, right?
Yes.
So we have to find the theta value. How we will find theta? So now you can see here, this is 30. We may know that this whole is 90.
Yes.
So if the whole is 90, so this angle will become 60 degree.
Yes.
This is 60. This is 90. So this angle will be how much?
30.
So this will become 30. So this
Yes.
will become here 60. So this will become here 60. That's why the 60 is the correct answer.
Yeah.
Now, do you understand? I think you have not taken this process. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So for basically, we do the class for the 1 hour. Okay. But it's a demo. So I'm
Yeah.
just going to stop this class right now,
Okay.
8 minutes before.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And generally the classes is for 1 hour. It's not for
Okay.
52
And
minutes.
timing?
We will decide it. Don't worry.
Okay.
So is your mother there with you?
No, she's in a room.
Oh, she's in room. Okay, no
Yeah.
problem. So what I will do, I will share this video with you also.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And session notes also we will share with you.
Okay.
So your email ID is, just give me a second.
Akhil Pranav Giridhar.
Yeah. No, it's a kv
That's
dot
my
pranav.
mom's. That's my mom's.
Okay, so I will share that means the video and the session notes on
Yeah.
your
Yeah, you can share
mom
it to
email.
mine. Oh, can you share it to mine?
Can you just let me know your email ID?
Yeah. All small. Akhil Pranav. AKIL.
Just give me a second. A K
IL.
I L
PRANAV.
P R A N A
NAV.
V
Giri. GIRI.
G R G
IRI.
G I R I. Okay,
@gmail.com.
@gmail.com. I'm just sending you a test mail.
Yeah.
Just reply over there. Okay.
Yeah.
So I have sent a test mail to you, and you can reply to me.